Shaheen Shah Afridi's Nikah pictures. Heartiest congratulations are in order for Pakistani superstar cricketer Shaheen Shah Afridi, who tied the scared knot in a humble Nikah ceremony with ex-cricketer Shahid Afridi's daughter Ansha Shahid today. Has become the talk of the town after the news of his nuptial spread like wildfire. Many of his fans have taken to social media to send their good wishes and best regards to happy couple. A video circulating online shows Shaheen exchanging his vows in front of Maulana Abdul Sattar at Zakria Mosque. The groom was accompanied by the father of the bride, Shahid Afridi, and many other family members. It is also reported that the bride's rukhsati will take place later. Soon after the nikah was performed, a grand reception was held to celebrate the occasion, attended by many notable guests including cricketers such as Babar Azam, Sarfaraz Ahmed, Naseem and Shadab Khan, as well as squash legend Jahangir Khan. The event was a glimmering affair. Notable guests including Asim Bajwa, the former Director General of the Inter-Services Public Relations, and Wasim Khan, the General Manager of the International Cricket Council. The guests mingled, enjoyed the festive, and celebrated the union of the two families as the rite drew to a close. The fast bowler became engaged to Ansha 2 years ago. The Mehndi ceremony also took place yesterday. It is reported that the wedding celebrations will follow Afridi tribal traditions.